Hi guys, my name is Camilla and I am a pharmacy student. I am here to tell you the whole truth about Visisharp. So if you are looking for more information about it and want to preserve your health from collateral damage, please watch this video until the end, because I will tell you about the side effects, what happens, how to take Visisharp to get better results, and where to buy it safely. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to this video. So, the first thing is be careful with the website you're gonna buy Visisharp, because today this product is only sold in this official website that I am showing. And I am warning you, because I have seen Visisharp being sold on fake websites. But be really careful, because these fake products can harm your health, and to help you, I left the link to the official Visisharp website down below in this video's description. You can click there later and see a little bit more about Visisharp. So guys, Visisharp is an organic formula that promotes eye functions and avoids your vision decline. It destroys and weakens any toxic parasite in your eyes that might be causing inflammation in the ocular system, to help you recover your vision. What happens when you use Visisharp? Though the results may vary from one person to the next, and when you start taking Visisharp capsules, your vision will start improving within a few weeks. For this to happen, you must consume the pills consistently. As you continue taking the supplement, image processing will become precise and fast. You can begin to see and read as you couldn't before. You'll start feeling less strain and burden on your eyes, and you won't feel drowsy. The dryness in your eyes will become history, and you no longer feel eye strain after working on a laptop for long hours, watching TV, or using your smartphone. What is the best way to take Visisharp? Every bottle consists of 60 capsules made with the finest quality ingredients, and according to the makers of this product, you can take 2 pills every day with a glass of water to boost your vision. They also suggest taking this supplement consistently over a few weeks for maximum benefits. What are the side effects? This supplement has no side effects. It doesn't change your weight. It doesn't interfere with your sleep or your appetite. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Visisharp, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Visisharp for 2 months, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. So guys, I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Visisharp actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.